Hey friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to access the phpMyAdmin from the WordPress dashboard. Without wasting any time, let's roll out the intro and get into the video. Now as a first step, log into a cPanel account and go to the WordPress Manager by Software Close option and log into a WordPress website. Now on the left side, you can see the menu bar. Click on the plugins option on the menu bar. Now on the plugins page, click on the add plugin button on the top. Now on the search bar, enter the plugin name phpMyAdmin. Here on the first you can see the WP phpMyAdmin plugin. Click on the install button to install the plugin. Once the plugin is installed, click on the active button to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will be navigated to its options page. Here you can see the option phpMyAdmin in your WP. By using this option, you can access the phpMyAdmin of your particular WordPress site. Now click on the enter local phpMyAdmin button. You will be navigated to the phpMyAdmin of this WordPress website. Here you can see your particular website database tables. And now on the second option, phpMyAdmin under hosting. If the first option didn't work for you, you can use this as an alternative option. Some hosting providers already have phpMyAdmin access for the customers. That means they can access that from the control panel. We just need to enter the phpMyAdmin's access URL here. To get that URL on the cPanel, go to the cPanel dashboard. On the dashboard, if you scroll down, you can see the option phpMyAdmin. Click and open it. Now copy the access URL of the phpMyAdmin and paste it on the WordPress plugin. Now click on the Save Changes button to save this access URL. And now click on the button Enter Hosting's phpMyAdmin. Now you will be redirected to your phpMyAdmin's page. But here it will show all the databases in your phpMyAdmin, because it's directly redirected you to your hosting panel's phpMyAdmin. Also, please note that every changes that you are doing here by using these two options will be reflected in your hosting panel's phpMyAdmin. By using this WP phpMyAdmin plugin, you can easily access your WordPress website's database. If you have any queries or need assistance in the details that I was mentioned in this video, please contact our SeekaHost India support team. They will assist you on that. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For instant update about the videos, please press the bell icon.